Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about another coupon related formula which is used in the bonds calculation. So this formula coupon PCD, this formula particularly gives about the previous coupon date, the date of coupon before the settlement date. So let's take an example. Here is the syntax of this formula is coupon PCD. Settlement, maturity, frequency and basis are the four variables which are being used in this formula. Now issue date is 1st of May 2021. Settlement date we have taken as 14 June 2021. Maturity date is 1st of May 2025 and years are 4. Coupon rate we have taken as 6% and coupon payment frequency is 2, which we have taken as semi-annually, and basis we have taken as 3, that is actual by 365. So let's put the formula coupon PCD. And put settlement date, maturity date, frequency, and then the basis. So it gives me the date of 1st of May 2021. That means there is no coupon has been paid in between this. This is the issue date. Now if I change the settlement date from 14 June 2021 to, let us take some other date. Let us take 31st of December 2021. And this has changed. This has given me the last coupon date, which is 1st of November 2021. So from 1st May, I'd say it is a semi-annual. So 6 months if you add, it comes to 1st of November 2021. So this formula will ease me out that when the previous coupon has been paid before the settlement date. Thanks for watching my channel.